So I didn't actually film much today, because there wasn't much going on. Just staying behind trucks. And also, just rocking down 750 kilometers from Cologne to here, where I was mixed. Some showers, some sun. All in all, very successful day. It's time for some food, and then for some rest for another 700 kilometers tomorrow. See you then. So today was amazing. Nice weather, good pace. Stuck again behind the trucks all the time, but this is the way. 90 kilometers an hour is like a good pace to go. The 750 kilometers I had to go today. I've went from Western Poland to Northeastern Poland like in one day. Well, it was nice. Not too much to see on the way to here. It was mostly like the Polish flats and then some hills. But everywhere you look, it's like lush green. So very nice scenery to see. Now I'm in this small border country of Lithuania and Poland. And it's, it's very cool here. Everything is so small. And I don't want to say old, but like everything is like it's used to be up here and it's still like this up here. So great day. Indeed. See you tomorrow.
No looking back, no shadow of doubt. I'm on the edge, I'm screaming out, ride the lightning, embrace the fight, push it further into the night. And as I'm rising, feel the power surge, unleashing fury, an electric dirge. you feel the pulse? It's thundering, adrenaline, the high it brings. Living louder, roaring engines scream. Feel the power in this high-octane dream. Throttles open, burning down the line. On a high so raw, eternal and divine. Adrenaline's my fuel, it's pumping through our veins. With every beat, I break away the chains.
Jesus Christ.
Welcome to Lithuania. It's a bloody nice day. The weather's awesome. 15 degrees just like yesterday. And the scenery is amazing. I found a really nice spot. Too sad I'm not camping today because it would be very awesome to camp around here. But I will totally mark it for the next few months to come back and camp here for a night or two. Because it's just great out here. Yeah, today we're going to Vilnius, stay for a night, enjoy a bit, see the city, and then go for Riga. So it's just like 100 kilometers left to Vilnius to now. I got plenty of time. So we'll fly the drone and you will see some shots of that.